autism often get diagnosed in the earlier setting, 2, 3, 4, and certainly when they go into school, they transition into school and they can't manage the routine and the structure and the sensory, they just can't cope, so they're very quickly identified. With black children, those behaviours are more quickly identified through the prism of bad behaviour. Okay, so they're not thinking automatically, oh, I wonder if this child is just a bad kid.
Yeah.
And the parents, one of the parents doing to the child. So my son wasn't diagnosed until 8. And when I talk to my white peers in autism groups, I go, wow, that's quite late. And I go, yeah, I know. He's been to 6 different schools. Yeah, he's had more exclusions than we want to actually consider. So the experience of autism and ADHD across communities is really different. And I'm worried that our kids are having a really rough deal through the education system, through the social care system, through the health system, if they are they have any type of hidden disability or even sort of associate peripheral mental health issues like anxiety and all of those that go along with it, in addition to things like SEMH, so social, emotional and mental health issues.
Yeah, I was going to say that a lot of